Have you ever felt completely lost in the absolute flood of new AI updates? Well, welcome. If you're a focused learner trying to make sense of this incredibly fast-evolving artificial intelligence landscape, you are literally in the perfect place. In this explainer, I'm going to be your personal tour guide through a platform called AIMiracle. We're going to explore exactly how to navigate this site and leverage it as your go-to daily hub for the whole AI shebang. So, let's jump right in.
Let's be totally honest for a second here. How on earth do you keep up with AI without completely losing your mind? I mean, every single day we wake up to a massive new tool release, a major model update, or some crazy piece of cutting-edge research. The sheer volume of information is just overwhelming, right? We desperately need a way to filter out all that noise. And, well, that's the exact problem AIMiracle solves. It's designed to be your curated compass, pointing you directly toward the insights and tools that actually matter, saving you countless hours of endless scrolling. Okay, let's dive into this. Today, we'll be exploring 4 main areas. First up, AI tools collections. Then, navigating daily AI news. After that, hands-on AI tutorials. And finally, trusted AI tool reviews. All right, starting with Section 1, exploring AI tools collections, finding the right tech. Now, what's really interesting about this is how it breaks things down. The amount of software out there in 2026 is frankly staggering. It's like a giant puzzle. But what's brilliant here is the practical utility of these collections. The site takes this massive, intimidating mountain of software and categorizes it into neat, highly usable buckets. It bridges that frustrating gap between abstract high-level tech and what you can actually use right now. For instance, you've got AI chatbots grouped specifically to help you create human-like customer interactions. Then there's workflow automation curated to simplify those tedious daily tasks so you can literally save hours of time. Or maybe you're a creator. They've got the best music generators all in one place for producing original beats and soundtracks. They even categorize character alternatives for roleplay and companion platforms. It organizes all that daily chaos based on what you actually need to get done today. Moving right along to Section 2, navigating daily AI news, the latest breakthroughs. Think of this space as exactly where you want to be when you grab your morning coffee. It's built to help you catch up on the absolute most important updates in machine learning and robotics without you having to scour the entire internet yourself. What I absolutely love about their news curation is the balance. On one hand, you have the serious, hard-hitting industry shifts. We're talking about things like the launch of OpenAI's new workflow automation agent kit, the sudden and totally surprising shutdown of the Sora AI video generator, and how Gen Z is going through a completely new era of AI job training just as a survival skill. But then, on the flip side, they capture the totally bizarre viral culture of AI. Things like the Waggy and Wolfie robot dogs, or that crazy AI fruit Love Island phenomenon that mysteriously vanished after rocking up 300 million views. No way, right? Understanding this tech really means grasping both its serious power and its wildly strange cultural moments. And crucially, the platform doesn't just blindly spit out facts. It really pushes you to analyze the impact. Take this awesome question posed on the site. Is this a cute AI pet trend or a problem in the making? By looking super closely at the trend of the Niku robot puppy and the Waggy AI dog, the news section asks critical, tough questions about the real-world impact of these technologies on our society. It elevates the whole conversation from just, hey, what happened today, to, okay, so what does this actually mean for us? Next up, Section 3, hands-on AI tutorials, practical how-to guides. I am so incredibly excited about this part because this is where the theory we just talked about turns into actual hands-on practice. If you are a creator, a developer, or just someone itching to get their hands dirty with the tech, these how-to guides are going to be your new best friend. And this brilliantly illustrates how they do it, with a literal step-by-step examples straight from the site's tutorial on creating Studio Ghibli-style AI art. It doesn't just tell you it's possible, it walks you right through it. Step 1, open an AI tool like Midjourney or Leonardo AI. Step 2, input specific, targeted prompts like Studio Ghibli-style, watercolor lighting, and hand-painted textures. Boom. It takes all the frustrating guesswork completely out of the equation for you. And they don't just hand you a list of text prompts and wish you good luck. Not at all. These tutorials are deeply grounded in reality with their AI in action segments. They show you actual before and after examples from the real AI tools featured on AIMiracle. This gives you that immediate visual proof that these specific prompts and tools actually deliver the promised results. Believe me, that alone is going to save you hours of annoying trial and error. And our final stop, Section 4. Trusted AI tool reviews, vetting the tech. I literally cannot stress enough how absolutely crucial this step is. Vetting the tech is the must-do step before you invest your hard-earned time, money, or resources into implementing anything new. When exploring the reviews section, It skips right past all that generic corporate fluff and maintains a laser focus on deep, transformative technology. We're talking about rigorous, deep dive explorations into the latest discoveries in artificial intelligence, mind-blowing innovations happening in quantum computing, transformative developments in renewable energy tech, and even practical tips for thriving in our increasingly virtual world. It is 100% focused on actual technological substance and sustainable growth.
So, the really crucial point here is captured beautifully in this manifesto quote straight from the AIMiracle platform. The intelligence we build into machines is a reflection of the values we hold. Wow. That profound statement really anchors the whole reason we're trying to understand these tools. It reminds us that keeping up with AI isn't just about maximizing your daily efficiency or chasing the newest trend. It's about being highly intentional and deeply thoughtful regarding the exact technology we're building, adopting, and inviting into our lives.
Which leads us perfectly to this final, incredibly powerful thought from the source material. The future we create with AI begins with the questions we dare to ask today. So, what will you ask? I really hope this explainer has given you a crystal clear roadmap for navigating the AI Miracle Hub. But even more than that, I hope it sparked your curiosity to start asking those really big questions. Use this platform not just as a handy directory, but as a lens to understand where we're all heading. Keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.